That's ridiculous. That's way too wide. Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Garage Gear. I'm JB, and this is another episode of how to make your lawnmower last a lifetime. Today we're gapping the spark plug on our Honda HRN 216. These instructions will work for just about any other mower too, so let's gap it. Now first off, this video is not going to be about cleaning spark plugs, but I did do a video on that a while back, and I'll have that video linked down below in the description. Also, be sure to consult your owner's manual for the correct gapping of your spark plug on your model mower. Now most mowers will have a gap requirement of 0.03 inches. And if we take a look at our manual, it says to gap this between 0.028 and 0.031 inches. So for our first step, we're gonna locate our spark plug. And here on the Honda, it's right up front and easy to get to. We're going to remove the plug and set it out of the way. Now for this next step, you could use a 13/16 spark plug socket. The only reason I don't like using these is because they have a rubber boot inside, and sometimes that'll stick to the end of the spark plug. Instead, what I'm gonna use is this spark plug wrench. I'm a simple man. I'm gonna stick it right on, nothing gets in the way, stick a screwdriver through the end, and simply twist it right off. And out it comes. Now here's the funny thing. A lot of new spark plug boxes will claim that the spark plug inside is already pre-gapped. But in a lot of cases, they're wrong. I've seen some that were way off. And a spark plug plays a major role in combustion processes inside your engine. And an engine that isn't achieving full spark isn't running at its full potential. So here's how we do it. We are going to use this. This is a metal spark plug gapping tool, and this is one of those tools that you will use more than you think. And as we tip it to its side, you can see that this outside edge here gets wider as we spin it around. I have this spark plug tool ready to go, marked at 0.03 inches. So now I have my spark plug gapping tool, and I have my NGK Honda spark plug here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the tab up top. I'm going to work it around, and you can see that I am actually a little over that 0.03 mark, so we got to tighten this thing up a little bit. I'm going to take that gapping tool, I'm going to put it against my palm, and I'm just going to gently push down on that tab until I work it closer to that 0.30 mark. We're a little closer. Get it a little closer now. Push down. Perfect. Right on the dot, 0.03. We're ready to go. Now, one other thing you want to be careful of is this little puck here inside of the spark plug. If you damage that, you damage the whole spark plug. So be very careful when you're pressing and pulling on this metal tab up top. I'm going to take that spark plug, I'm going to set it off to the side, and I got an old Champion spark plug here. Let's see how in good a shape this one is. We're going to stick in the tab, pull it over, and what do you know? Look at that. That's right on the 0.03 mark. Perfect. And then I got this old NGK spark plug. Let's see this one. I can already tell this one's going to be big. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that, 0.50. That's ridiculous. That's way too wide. So we're going to press it down. All right, now see, I pushed it way too far. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna use this circle here on the inside. I'm gonna stick it in right here on the edge, and then I'm just gonna simply lift up a little bit. It doesn't take much effort, and then I'm just gonna reinsert the tab. A little too far this time, so we're gonna smash it back down. See, it doesn't take much, and you can go past it. Perfect, look at that. Right on the 0.03 mark. So ladies and gentlemen, that's how you gap a spark plug properly. What we're gonna do now is stick it back in the Honda. Now we just gotta put it back in here on the front, twist it back in. Then we're gonna take our wrench tool, put that back up on top, take our screwdriver, put it through, and then just give it a gentle, snug twist. And that's it. Now, if you want to take it to the next step, you could use a torque wrench and torque that baby down to 14 foot-pounds of torque. Now we're gonna reconnect our plug, and we're gonna push it on all the way. Give it a pull. This is great. Now that we've corrected that spark plug gap, that engine is going to be running very efficiently. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's how you properly gap a spark plug for a lawnmower. This procedure is similar for snowblowers, trimmers, even cars. Just be sure to check the gapping size for your application. Be sure to check out my other videos in this playlist on how to make your mower last a lifetime. I have dozens upon dozens of videos planned for this playlist, so stay tuned. I'll also have this mower as well as all the tools I used today linked down below in the description. Please help me grow this channel by sharing this video with a friend or family member. If you have any lawnmower tips that you would like to share, please do so down in the comments below. And if you're excited to see more of what's happening with this lawnmower in the future, Give me one of these. Feeling the vibe and want to be part of the tribe? Subscribe so that way you can stay up to date with everything going on here at Garage Gear. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the garage.